Hello everyone, my name is Shilpa. I'm working for Siemens. I'm leading the TMS projects in Siemens and I take care of the special initiatives. I'm a technical project manager over there. So I got to know about this course through Google. I was looking for some AI courses. Basically, I think AI is penetrating everywhere, and Siemens is also has taken out a lot of initiatives and bringing out a lot of use cases for the different deliverables basically. So that is when I was curious to know if there are some courses that can specifically help me out with my railway domain specific deliverables. So that is when I got to know about this one, and I was very happy that I was fitting in the requirements that is certainly there for the course to enroll. And then this journey started. I contacted people. I got to know I downloaded the brochure and then we proceeded. I would say it was definitely good because the way we started, so naive, we just know what AI stands for and how exactly it is going to be helpful in railway domain. I just had some idea, but when we actually started with the course, I could get a lot of insight. I think Professor Madhu was incredibly good. He has brought in so much of, he communicated us in a very different way than I expected, to be very honest. I found his lectures to be really professional, like his subject matter expert also, and then besides, he knows how to keep the people engaged in delivering the subject matter as well as to take us through the entire course. It was way different from what I expected. I found it to be really good. Yes, definitely. It's the course is recommended, and also I think I'll be more interested if there is any part two version, where more advanced version where Professor Madhu and other faculties also who have a lot of hands-on experience and all of this stuff give us a next set of lectures where we try doing modeling, something that is more from a practical per se.